Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Bing so results reflect your location and history. This improves relevance. Next, pick the product and a clear price range because focused keywords cut noise and save time. Once done, use the Shopping tab and apply filters for price, seller rating, and recent listings to surface deals. You'll also add modifiers like discount, clearance, or open box to find lower prices. These small changes narrow results to bargains fast. You refine results with quotes for exact phrases and a minus sign to remove unwanted terms. This reduces irrelevant hits. Then sort by price or relevance and open multiple seller pages to compare total cost, including shipping and taxes, because headline price can be misleading. Make sure to scan coupon sections, cashback offers, and bundle discounts, since these convert a borderline price into a clear deal. If several sellers match, prioritize higher ratings. You complete the purchase by validating the final price, return policy, and delivery estimate because unexpected fees erase savings. Once done, set a price alert or revisit price history to learn timing for future buys. This helps you buy at low points. If searches return poor results, clear your browser cache, toggle location settings, or broaden keywords to include synonyms. These steps fix personalization and indexing issues. And if a coupon fails, contact the seller promptly to request honor or a price match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.